get the police.
Buddy, go!
It'll only take a second, really.
No, stop! There's a bomb!
Oh, hey, let go, you're wrecking my flight matter. I can do this.
Sound effects is missing from the sound effects wiki by fandom. Here's what I'm going to use in creating gallery. This gallery to put in right the between in the middle right here. Alright, now then the missing two, and the sound effects missing two, then we're going to create an own gallery. This gallery is going to put in next to your, here's in the middle of the side right here, to put in the middle.
Shame you had to come this far from home just to die.
It's still missing. I would create it a gallery. It has forgot the sound effects from the Osmosis Jones movie. The sound effects wiki by fandom. First the Skywalker punching sounds, then doing the swirling hurricanes wind sound effects, then Skywalker power lane snapping sounds. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments below what you see in the video. See you later. Goodbye.